When you say you're going to do something, you have to do it. Time blocking doesn't work if you don't honor the time block, right? Hey, welcome to the Insurance Buzz. I am your host, Michael Weaver, and I'm flying solo today, baby. And we are going to be diving in and talking about maximum productivity, baby. How can you maximize your day from a production standpoint to where you're feeling fulfilled, you're feeling meaningful, you're moving the needle every single day, you're getting 1% better every single day, you're crushing your goals, you're crushing your paychecks, you're crushing your bonuses. That is what today's about. And here's the best part. I decided to remove Michael Weaver from this equation. I decided to remove my belief system, my human errors, my opinions. And I'm taking this one to ChatGPT, and I want to walk you through what it said because I love it, and I think it will be very, very, very good to share. So I asked ChatGPT, I'm a new insurance agent in the business, and I want to set my day up with the top productivity possible. Time block my day. In which she came back. I love this. Again, this is removing belief systems, opinions, human error. All right. If you want to time block your day for maximum productivity as a new insurance agent, your schedule should balance prospecting, client service, follow-ups, training, and personal development. Here's a high-performance daily schedule to set yourself up for success. Don't you just love this? If you are not using some type of AI technology to help you be more efficient to generate ideas, I highly recommend that as well. This ChatGPT is Courtney and I's best friend. Here we go. Here's the time block. I'm going to roll through this, and then I'm going to reiterate some things that it says. 6:30 to 7:30 a.m. So it's got you waking up in the sixes, right? 6:30 to 7:30 a.m. Morning routine and mindset prep. Movement, mindset, and remove goals. So movement, exercise, stretching, quick walk, whatever you want to do. Mindset, visualization, affirmations, gratitude. Review goals. Remind yourself of your income and activity targets. Man, I love that mindset one. Visualization, affirmations, and gratitude. You've heard us talk about that a little bit. 7:30 a.m. to 8 a.m. So 30-minute time block. Skill development and training. Watch sales training videos. Listen to a podcast or role play objections. Stay sharp on insurance product knowledge. You heard it here first from ChatGPT. If you want to maximize your productivity, if you want to be the best in the business, self-development. Key number 1, self-development. 8 to 8:30, daily planning and prospecting prep. Wow, we got a plan for success here. Okay, here we go. Organize leads and contacts for the day. Review CRM follow-ups and hot leads. Prepare for calls, scripts, notes, research. That's 8 to 8:30. We are planning and prospecting prep. So we're planning for success. All right, 3-hour time block. Here we go. 8:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. 3-hour time block. I'll reiterate this. 8:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Prime prospecting time, outbound calls and appointments. Goal, book 3+ appointments per day. Call fresh leads, past clients, referrals. Book appointments for the next few days. Handle objections and overcome call reluctance. Pro tip here, block distractions. Put your phone on do not disturb except for calls, right? No social media distractions, no text message distractions, no distractions except for calls. Put your phone on D&D, baby. That's a pro tip from ChatGPT. All right, we're doing it now, 11:30 to noon. So all 8:30 to 11 is prospecting, baby, with the goal of 3+ appointments per day. You could look at this as 3 quotes per day, and you're trying to get 3 appointments on the calendar for the upcoming week. All right, 11:30 to noon. Follow-ups and pipeline work. Follow-ups and pipeline work. Call warm leads. Send follow-up emails and text. Work on pending applications and policy updates. Wow. We're putting a 30-minute time block on the calendar to just work on pending applications. Maybe call some warm leads, maybe shoot some follow-up emails and texts. So for 3 hours of prospecting, then we're going to come and do a little bit more prospecting, warm leads, follow-up emails, and let's work on those pending applications. Let's make sure everything's issuing. 12 to 1, lunch and recharge. Lunch and recharge. Step away from your desk. Move, stretch, take a quick walk. Move that body, baby. Let's go, right? We got to get ready for the rest of the day. We're only halfway over. 1 to 3 p.m. Client appointments and policy reviews. Zoom, phone, or in-person appointments. Wow, we got to be having appointments. Here we go. Review policies, upsell, and ask for referrals. Say what? Ask for referrals? All right, 1 to 3. So we're having appointments, either at Zoom, phone, or in person. I would take phone appointments out and really concentrate on Zoom and in person. And review policies, upsell, and ask for referrals. Because if you don't ask, the answer is always no. ChatGPT didn't say that. That's Michael's opinion. Let's remove Michael's opinion and get back to ChatGPT real fast, though. 3 to 3:30, break and mental reset. Hydrate, move around, and reset focus. Hydrate, move around, and reset focus. So we're just getting ready to finish out the day. 3:30 to 5, admin, marketing and social media. Respond to client emails, messages, post value-driven content, insurance tips, personal stories. Engage with prospects in comments and groups. Engage with prospects in comments and groups. And if you're looking for content, by the way, on social media, Courtney just did a prior episode on this, so make sure you check that out on the Insurance Buzz. So 3:30 to 5, you're responding to client emails and messages. Right? So you haven't been in your inbox all day. We're just now checking email. All right? Post value-driven content. So that means we're actually posting on social media and engage with prospects in comments and groups. 5 to 6, evening follow-ups and last-minute calls. Follow up with any missed calls. End-of-day check-ins with clients. 6 to 6:30, daily review and next-day planning. Track your numbers. Calls made, appointments booked, policy sold, set up tomorrow's lead list and priorities, evening/personal and family time, unplug, spend time with loved ones, hobbies, or relaxation. I love that one. Unplug, spend time with loved ones, hobbies, and relaxation. You need to unplug. You need to unwind. You've already done everything for tomorrow from 6 to 6:30. You've already set yourself up for success if you follow that, right? Bonus tips for success from ChatGPT. Here we go. Number 1, stick to the schedule. Time blocking only works if you honor it. Track everything. This is tip number 2. Track everything. Keep a scoreboard to measure progress. Tip number 3, batch similar task. Do not multitask. Focus on one thing at a time. Tip number 4, protect your morning. Protect your morning. Prospecting is priority number 1. Tip number 4, again, protect your morning. Prospecting is priority number 1. Wow. ChatGPT just crushed this. Just gave you an entire schedule of how to time block your day for success. And you know what I love that this was focused on? It was focused on, first and foremost, we're getting up and we're working on ourselves. We are working on mindset, movement, reviewing what we're going to be doing. It's working on development of yourself. It's working on health. And then we're going to go straight in from that into developing your skills in your specific occupation, sales training, role playing, product knowledge. That's the very first part of your day. Every single day is focused on you, your mental game, your physical game, your emotional, spiritual, whatever you want to say. And then we're going to go straight into actual developing your skill set. What you do every single day. The chest passes, right? The layups. Y'all have heard me reference this, but MJ, that's how he started off every single practice. Chest passes and layups. He's the best that's ever played, in my opinion. To become a master at anything, you have to master the basics, and skill development is one of those things you continue to do. That's why training is not something you've done, it's something you do. I love this with ChatGPT, by the way. It's speaking to me. And then it's prioritizing prospecting. You are a sales organization. Sales cures all. If you're a new insurance agent, you're a new sales agent, take what I just shared with you in this episode and make it your go-to schedule every single day. And the thing I love about what this reiterates twice is, hey, time blocking doesn't work unless you actually do it. Like, block all distractions, put your phone on do not disturb. I would say the same thing about your email. You have to prioritize what's important. You have to stick with one specific task at a time. Multitasking kills you. So I hope that this was successful. I'm going to go back over these 4 tips, these bonus tips before I conclude today's episode. Stick to the schedule. Time blocking only works if you honor it. Tip number 2, track everything. Keep a scoreboard to measure progress. That's the only way you're going to know whether you're moving the needle or not. You have to keep a scoreboard. Batch similar task. Don't multitask. Focus on one thing at a time and then protect your morning. Prospecting is priority number 1. Prospecting is priority number 1. I hope today's episode was beneficial. If you're not currently using some type of AI software like ChatGPT to help you be more efficient within your day, to help create ideas, to help you create schedules, right? Make sure you use this technology. It is absolutely amazing. And this is something like when we plug this in today, again, we ask the question, I'm an insurance agent new in the business, and I want to set my day up with the top productivity possible. Time block my day. Boom. It gives me an entire snapshot of what my day should look like from beginning to end, with prioritizing all the things that I'm going to insert my personal belief into this, all of the things that it actually takes to be successful in your role as an insurance sales professional. And that's why I wanted to share this episode with you today, because one of the most common questions I get is, Michael, what should I be doing? Michael, how many conversations should I be having? When should I be prospecting? Right? When should I be following up? When should I be doing customer service? It just broke down your day for you. Now, you have to be intentional with your day. Now, you have to prioritize. You have to make sure you don't break integrity with yourself. When you say you're going to do something, you have to do it. Or again, chat says this, I say this, time blocking doesn't work if you don't honor the time block. Right? You don't need more time. You just need discipline. And this is exactly what this says. You just need discipline throughout your day. You just need an organized day to know exactly what you need to do to move the needle forward. And that comes back to prospecting, self-development, taking care of yourself, organizing your day, and staying disciplined with the structure of your day. You got this. You got this. I guarantee you, if you take this and you just run with it for 30 days, this exact schedule as a new insurance agent, or just, it doesn't matter how many years you have. If you organize your day like this in the sales role, you will be successful. So take what the podcast covered today, take what Chat said to structure your day with that. Hang on, do it for 30 days, and you will see increased results in your day. And I'd love for you to let me know about it, all right? So text me, email me, whatever you want to do, all right? Keep me updated. Other than that, look, as always, time and attention are by far our most important assets. I appreciate you spending time with me today on The Buzz. Go out and make it great.